everybody, welcome back to Clark Farmstead. In today's video we're going to be showing the garden tractor some love. Let me show you what we're working with here. This is my John Deere basic model garden tractor, and as you can see it is just covered in dust and dirt and grass. So we're going to get it cleaned up, we're going to change the oil, get the blade sharpened, get everything in good working order for the year. First thing I'm going to do is use my leaf blower to just kind of dust it off and get all the grass off so it's easier to work with. Next I'm going to remove the deck so I can get the blades off and so I can clean the deck and get all the old disgusting grass off of it. First I'm going to remove the driving gauge. Makes it a lot easier if you just lower the deck all the way down too. Another tip, guys, if you're worried about being able to get everything back together right, just use your smartphone to snap pictures as you go so you know where all the parts go. That's what I do. Usually it's just connected by these little cotter pins. Looks like I've used a piece of wire here. Looks like I was missing a pin last time I did this. And same thing on the other side. We just take off these little washers here, pop out the pins, and it'll just drop right down. We just pull the deck out from underneath. While I clean off the deck, I'm also going to let the oil drain out. I'm going to go ahead and change the oil. On my mower, it's got this weird little plastic cap. I've never seen one like this. Usually it's like a bolt, but it is what it is. Just going to pop it off here. You see how it's all dark looking? You need to change your engine oil in your mower at least every couple of years, if not every year. Which brings me to my next point. I am not a licensed Briggs & Stratton engine repair person, nor am I licensed or affiliated with John Deere or Briggs & Stratton in any way. This video is purely for instructional and entertainment purposes only, and if it just gets you to change your oil in your lawnmower at least every year or two, then I will have done my job. I'm going to go ahead and get these blades off here. Those bolts are actually on there so tight I can't even get them off. I can't even make a move with this impact tool. So we're gonna have to deal with that another day. So for today, we're just gonna get this cleaned out, cleaned up, and then I'll show you how to clean up the mower, add the oil back in, get everything done on that end. Now I'm going to replace this cap down here, add back some oil. Cap is back on. Always read your instruction manual on your engine before adding oil. I'm using 10W30 here. It says that it should be able to handle that for most conditions. I'm not sure exactly how much oil to put in this thing. Looks like 2 quarts should do it. Putting fresh oil in your machinery just gives you a good feeling, so change your oil. Now I'm just going to give the exterior a good scrub. Alright guys, let's get the deck back on and we'll be ready to go. You want to help?
Yep, I'm helping. Why wouldn't I be helping? Hi.
Alright guys, so if there's a moral to this story, it's change your oil, clean your equipment, take care of it. It's going to last you a long time that way. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. If I did something wrong, leave that in the comments too. I know you always do. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.